What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Katrina, or K Beauty Shine here on YouTube, and what you see here is a balcony that has been neglected for a year now. I moved in last summer and I kind of just been using this space as storage, but I've had some time to get it together and I thought, you know what, now is the time to take on a little project. So today I will be showing you guys how I gave my balcony a complete makeover on a budget. Alright, so to start off, here is an overview of my balcony. As you can see, it's a very decent size if you ask me, like a decent size to have like a cozy, chill kind of vibe. But it's really dirty right now. There's dead bugs everywhere, the walls are dirty, just pollen everywhere. It is just completely disgusting and nowhere you would want to sit and chill. So the first thing we're going to do is just clear out the space. Okay, so now that everything is cleared out, we are moving on to my favorite part, which is cleaning. Yes, I enjoy cleaning. I love a clean house. I love a clean space. I love everything in place. Like, I just can't function when things are a mess. So when my balcony was looking disgusting like this, I was like, oh my god, like every day it just irked me. But it was something that I kept procrastinating for so long because just looking at it gave me anxiety. But the fact that I was finally getting this done, I just felt so good. So we are going to be going in with this deep clean, okay? I'm talking sweeping, scrubbing the floors, scrubbing the walls, wiping everything down. Everything's going to be super clean. Okay, so I'm back. I hope you guys are still here. If you're still watching, thank you so much. Now that everything is spotless, what I'm going to be doing next is completely optional, but I don't like bugs and there is a lot of bees around my area, so I went in with this natural peppermint spray repellent. I got this off on Amazon and I'm just going to be spraying it everywhere. Now to decorate my balcony, I started off with this 4x6 outdoor area rug, and I got this off of Amazon for $30. Everything here I got off of Amazon, like all the big things you're going to see, it's all from Amazon. But I love this area rug. It's black and white, tribal, exactly what I was going for. So when I saw it, I was like, yes, it was like the perfect area rug for me. And it fit the space very nicely. Next, I'm going to be installing this outdoor railing safety net, and I got this off of Amazon as well for $19.99. And the reason I got this is because, as I mentioned, I do have a son and he's a very curious little boy. So we all know that kids love to, you know, stick their head through railings, throw things down, and I didn't want that. So I felt like this area needed to be secure. It was also very easy to put up. My boyfriend and I just measured it from end to end. We secured it with the cable wires that it comes with, and then we just cut off any extra fabric that we didn't need. And in the end, I loved how it looked. I felt like it gave the porch a vibe, like it gave it a little bit of more privacy. And then I even had a peace of mind because it was like a quote-unquote safe zone for when my son and my dog are out there with us. Now to finalize the space, I added this 3-piece bistro set that I got off of Amazon for $89.99, and it was honestly the perfect size. Like, I love it so much. I then decorated it with some decor pillows. So I got the pillow shams off of Amazon, and then the pillows were actually a gift from my mom, but she got them from Walmart for about $8 to $10, I think she said. Then I added some greenery, so I went with this table plant. I also got a floor plant from Target, and then I added a nice macrame. So before I show you guys the reveal, I just wanted to show you guys a breakdown of exactly what I spent to make this space look nice. Minus the outdoor railing safety net and the peppermint spray, because those two things are optional. But I just wanted to show you guys that you don't need a lot of money to make your space look nice. It's all about just having some inspiration, having an idea of what you like, and just trying it. So you can see here, I went a little bit overboard spending $40 on a floor plant, but I honestly really loved it, and I know I can use it indoors as well. But you can do whatever you like, add more or less. There's no rules. It's whatever you like. I am so in love with how everything turned out, and the fact that I did it on a budget was a plus. Like, oh my god! So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope it was helpful, really hope it gave you some inspiration. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!